There are many best blenders to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best blenders from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Ninja Professional Blender, Smoothie Blender, Drink Mixer, Grinder, Ice Crusher. The Ninja Professional Blender 1000 combines modern design with powerful performance to handle a wide range of kitchen tasks. Equipped with a 1000-watt motor, it delivers impressive strength for crushing ice, blending smoothies, pureeing ingredients, and controlled food processing. Its total crushing blade system ensures consistent results, breaking down even tough ingredients and efficiently. The large 72-ounce pitcher makes it ideal for preparing drinks and recipes for the whole family in one go. Users appreciate its quick operation, especially for smoothies and protein shakes, as well as its easy-to-clean design. The blender is also considered a great value for its performance and capacity, while many customers praise its durability and solid construction. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender for Smoothies. The Hamilton Beach Blender is a practical and versatile kitchen companion designed for everyday use. Powered by 700 watts of peak blending power, it handles a variety of tasks, including mixing, pureeing, chopping, and crushing ice with ease. Its simple 5-button control panel makes operation straightforward, allowing users to prepare smoothies, milkshakes, and other drinks quickly and efficiently. The blender is designed for convenience, featuring a hinged pouring cap that lets you safely add ingredients while blending. For best results, it requires at least 1 cup of liquid per recipe and performs optimally when ingredients are properly balanced. Compact yet capable, it's ideal for small batches up to 3 cups. Customers appreciate its affordability, easy cleaning. Number 3. Ostapro 1200 Smoothie Blender with glass jar and 24 ounces to-go cup. The Ostapro 1200 Plus blender delivers powerful performance and impressive versatility for everyday kitchen use. Featuring a robust motor with up to 1,200 watts of power, it effortlessly blends ice, frozen fruits, leafy greens, and more to create smooth, consistent results. Its smart preset settings take the guesswork out of preparation, allowing you to make smoothies, salsas, and milkshakes with just one touch. The wide base design helps ingredients flow easily to blades, while dual-direction technology enhances blending efficiency by moving the blades forward and reverse. Users appreciate its fast operation, strong performance, and easy cleaning. While many find it durable and reliable, some have reported concerns about blade longevity and noise level during use. Number 4. Vitamix Explorian E310 Blender, professional-grade kitchen blender for smoothies. The Vitamix blender is a premium kitchen appliance designed for those who value performance, durability, and versatility. Trusted by professional chefs and home cooks alike, it delivers powerful, consistent blending for everything from smoothies and frozen desserts to soups, sauces, and nut butters. Its advanced blending system ensures smooth, even textures, effortlessly handling tough ingredients like ice and frozen fruits. Built to last, Vitamix blenders are engineered for long-term reliability, making them a worthwhile investment for serious users. Cleaning is simple with a self-cleaning function that takes about a minute. Customers praise its exceptional blending power and dependable results, though opinions vary on price and noise. Overall, it offers professional-grade quality for everyday culinary creativity. Number 5. Geniza Blender for Smoothies, 14 PCS Smoothie Blender for Kitchen. The Geniza GB08 blender is a powerful and versatile solution for everyday blending needs. Equipped with a 1300W motor and upgraded 6-blade stainless steel system, it effortlessly crushes ice, blends frozen fruits, grinds coffee beans, and prepares smoothies, baby food, and more. Designed for efficiency, it delivers smooth, lump-free results in seconds. This 14-in-1 blender includes multiple BPA-free cups, making it perfect for both family-sized batches and on-the-go use. Built-in safety features like overheat protection and heat dissipation ensure reliable, long-lasting performance. Its simple twist-to-blend design and stable silicone base enhance ease of use. Number 6. Hamilton Beach Power Max Professional Performance Blender for Shakes and Smoothies, Puree and Ice Crush. The Hamilton Beach Power Max Professional Performance Blender delivers exceptional power and versatility for a wide range of kitchen tasks. Featuring an impressive 1680 watts of peak power and a high-speed 22,000 revolutions per minute motor, it effortlessly blends, purees, liquefies, and crushes even the toughest ingredients, including ice and leafy greens. Designed for both everyday use and creative cooking, it helps you prepare everything from smoothies to sauces with ease. Number 7. Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. The Ninja Professional Blender and Nutri Ninja Cups delivers powerful performance and everyday versatility for any kitchen. With 1,100 watts of blending power, it easily crushes ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients to create ultra-smooth smoothies, frozen drinks. Number 8. Jazant Blender for Smoothies, 1000W Glass Blender for Kitchen. This powerful countertop blender is designed to handle a variety of kitchen tasks with ease and efficiency. Featuring a 1000W motor and 6 sharp stainless steel blades, it effortlessly crushes ice, blends fruits, grinds nuts, and prepares smoothies, soups, and juices in seconds. With 5 adjustable speed settings, you can customize blending to achieve the perfect texture every time. The 48 ounces durable glass jar is ideal for making large batches for the whole family. Built with safety lock system and overload protection, it ensures secure and reliable operation. Easy to assemble and clean, it offers convenient everyday use. Customers appreciate its performance, versatility, and value, though some have mixed experiences with long-term durability. Number 9. Riemix Counter Blender Smoothie Maker 1450W Professional High-Speed Blenders for Kitchen. This high-performance professional blender is designed to handle a wide range of kitchen tasks with power and precision. Equipped with a 1450W motor and reaching speeds up to 33,000 revolutions per minute, it effortlessly crushes ice, blends tough vegetables, and creates smooth shakes, soups, sauces, and more. Its 8 durable titanium stainless steel blades ensure consistent, high-quality results every time. With 10 adjustable speed settings and a pulse function, you can easily control texture for everything from silky smoothies to hearty blends. Built with BPA-free materials, it ensures safe food preparation, while the self-cleaning feature adds convenience. Safety features like overload protection and anti-slip feet enhance reliability. Customers appreciate its strong performance, though opinions on noise levels vary. Number 10. NoWave Infinity Commercial Blender, Heavy-Duty Smoothie Blender W/2.5 HP Copper Motor and Laser. The Infinity Blender is a professional-grade appliance built for exceptional performance and long-lasting durability. Powered by a robust 2.5 HP motor, it effortlessly handles tough ingredients, delivering smooth, creamy blends every time. Its laser-cut stainless steel blades are precisely engineered for efficient slicing, reducing oxidation and enhancing texture. The 64 ounces BPA-free Tritan jar and heavy-duty metal components ensure reliable, year-round use, meeting strict NSF commercial standards. Designed for versatility. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. Or, if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.